Port of departure is not given. Estimated time of departure is 27 of April 2020, 2100 hours. Port of arrival is not given. Distance is not given. Average speed is 12 knots, and estimated time of arrival is not given. So the professor already gave us the freedom to choose on how or what port will we choose, and also its distance given. So we already have given in scenario number two. Uh, First is the port of departure, which is Port of Manila. Estimated time of departure is 27 of April 2020, 2100 hours. Port of arrival is Port of Bataan. Distance is 780 nautical miles. Average speed is 12 knots, and estimated time of arrival is about to be solved. So again, our first consideration or our first goal here is to find the steaming time. So based on this triangle here in the second figure of the triangle, time is equals to distance over speed. So steaming time is equals to distance over speed. So we're just going to substitute the distance, which is 780 nautical miles, over 12 knots, which is its average speed. So ST is equals to 65. So after solving the steaming time, 780 nautical miles divided by 12 knots, you will have 65 as your steaming time. So we all know that any number that exceeds with 24-hour limit will be extracted into days and hours and minutes. So since it doesn't have decimals, it cannot be extracted till in the minutes. So it doesn't have minutes. So 65 divided by 24 is equals to 2 days. Then multiply 2 by 24 to get 48. After you get this number, subtract it to 65. So 65 minus 48, that will be your hours. So our steaming time here is 2 days and 1700 hours. So now our first goal, finding the steaming time or the ST, is already done. Now we're going to proceed with the ETA solving or the estimated time of arrival result. So first, we're just gonna copy the estimated time of departure, the ETD, 27 of April 2020, 2100 hours, and then we will put the ST below it. So we will just add them since they do have same GMT. So 2 here since it's also here in the steaming time, and then 1700 hours since we computed 1700 hours here. So adding them first in minutes, so 0 0 bring down, just bring down, and then 21 plus 17 is 38. 2020 April 29, so because 27 plus 2 is 29, and now 38 is exceeds with the 24-hour limit. So what should we do? We will just deduct another 24-hour, so it will be inside the 24-hour limit, and just add 1 day here in April 29. So the ETA in this scenario is April 30, 2020, 1400. So the first and second scenario is already done. They both have the same GMT in each given. The thing that you should just always remember whenever you're solving uh, with the same GMT is that first you should find the steaming time, and after you find the steaming time, you must extract them into days, hours, and minutes. And after you extracted them, just copy the given ETD and add them on the steaming time. And after you add them, if they exceed, you could subtract 24-hour again and add another day on the given date or on the given ETD. And after that one, you will find definitely the ETA. So that is how you solve the estimated time of arrival.